In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can back up your Nintendo Switch data. This is going to work on the Switch 2 or the OLED, the Switch 1, whatever it might be. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by starting on the home screen and scroll down and you're going to see system settings right here. Go ahead and select it to open it up, and then from here go ahead and go over to the left hand side and scroll down to see data management. Once you see data management, select it to open it up, and in this section right here you're going to see a bunch of different options, including the option to move your data between console and micro SD, transferring saved data, and backing up your data cloud by saving your data cloud. To back it up, obviously go ahead and scroll down and select Save Data Cloud, just like so. And once you do that, you're going to see a list of all of your games. Make sure you do select your correct profile as well. But once you do this, it'll show you which ones are already saved, which ones aren't saved, and different options to update or manage backups. If a game isn't backed up yet, you can manually back it up. But as you can see, most of mine are already backed up right here. Say it's not though, you just simply go ahead and select it. But what I would do is go ahead and enable automatic backups. You can do this just by backing out of this section or going down to settings, and you're going to see save data backup right here. I would just take this on. But that is it. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.